Hey, fifth graders, we are going to be continuing and concluding our work with the scientific process. So we have learned over since school started that scientists make observations, mostly of things in nature, but of course we also do things just in general since we just did some gummy bear activities. We ask questions. Sometimes we make models of things that we are trying to understand that we can't really see completely. We'll make models. We've also learned then how to do an investigation, starting with a testable question. And testable questions have to have a certain format so that we can run a fair test with controls that give us a true answer for what's happening. And that's what we've been doing most recently, is doing investigations. You've seen some examples using gummy bears. Where I set up some investigations or experiments. Sorry about that. And so gathering data, keeping a data table, making a graph from that data so that I have evidence, that really important word evidence, when I make a claim about what the result of a test is, I have to have some evidence to back it up. And that is really an important piece for scientists, to have evidence to show why it is they believe what they believe. And then communicating that knowledge is what we're going to be practicing. So we're working on the end of this process today. I'm going to be sharing with you again some more gummy bear investigation data that we're going to try to do some analysis with. Try and look closely for what do we see, what do we notice, what do those things mean for answering our testable question. And that's our work for today. After today, there will be something for you to do in the review section, of course, for you to submit, and that will be the end of this scientific process investigation. We will start a new unit during our next science class. We will dive into some life science and some earth science. We're going to spend quite a few weeks learning about that. But today, wrapping up the scientific process and how scientists use this method to do reliable, fair tests to get some good claims about questions that we ask. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I look forward to seeing what you found interesting in the gummy bear data.